Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how the button works on your positive trigger car horn, guys. So we've got a sound file, donkey sound installed on here just for example here. But guys, on the button version of your horn, we call it the positive trigger. This is your button that comes with it. Okay, on the horn, your wire, the black wire, will go to a ground somewhere. Okay, be to your battery or a ground on your fender well in your car or anywhere it's got a ground source your black wire can go to. It can go to battery or wherever, right? It doesn't have to go to the battery. Like I said, it can go to a ground source. Your red wire coming out of your horn will go to a 12-volt power source. It can go to your battery. It can go to a fuse, as long as it's a 12-volt power source, okay? All right. Now, the yellow wire comes out of this horn as well, right? There's an extra wire, yellow wire. It'll go to one side of your button, okay? Go to one side of the button. You can crimp it on there or solder it on there, however you want to do it. And then you need to run another wire to your 12-volt from the other side of the button, okay? And you can go to the same source that you had, either your battery or fuse or whatever. You can tie these two together, the red wire from the horn and the other wire that comes here for your 12-volt. And it could be a red wire, yellow wire, whatever color you want. But the yellow wire has to come in from the horn into one side of the switch, okay? And then you can get whatever color wire you want to go to the other to go to a 12-volt source, because it has to be 12 volts to activate the yellow wire going into the horn, okay, guys? So I'm going to hit it here and show you how it works. That's simple, easy process, guys. The other video that we have here above this one shows you how to test it with the yellow wire just by tapping on the battery. Now make sure, guys, when you're doing this, when you're setting it up, you are not just holding the wire on with your fingers, because that doesn't usually work. You need to clamp the wires onto the terminal to get a good solid connection, okay? Just by holding it with your fingers, you know, holding the wires on there, because we get a lot of people, that's how they try to test them and they don't work that way, and it doesn't work. So you have to make sure you have a really good connection, guys. And like I said, holding it with your fingers is not going to get a good enough connection, okay? So make sure you have it tied down very well on a negative and on a positive step before you try to test it, okay? All right, I hope this helps you.